Okay, so we got a quadratic, we got a table for this graph. It says complete the table and find the value of y when x is 2. Now then, before I answer that, I'm actually going to draw the graph in part 2. Okay, so plotting those points, minus 2, 8, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 4, no, 2 I haven't got a value for yet, 3 is at minus 2, and 4 is at 2. Now what we know on an x squared graph, then the shape of the graph is a nice smooth curve. Alright, so we know this graph is going to come down, and then it's going to come back up around. Okay, so the value for 2 has to be somewhere in this region here. Okay, alright, whatever I find now, let's see what the value is. Let's try to find 2 here. So y is 2 squared minus 3 times 2 minus 2. Okay, so square 2 up, that's 4. 3 2 is 6, that's minus 6. Minus 2. So I'm on a number line. I'm at 4. Drop down 6. Drop down another 2. So that is giving me a value of minus 4. So 2 is at minus 4. Now, smooth curve. So I'm just going to change the angle of the paper. And then come down and back up. Okay, now then, as long you can have your 2 marks, even if that first part is wrong, provided whatever value you find and you plot, and then plot all the points and join them, you can still get these 2 marks. Okay, so it's really important. Now some people wouldn't do that calculation. I don't have a problem with this. They plot the points, draw the graph, and then read the value for 2 that their graph passes through to write in that space there. Okay, they're giving them a chance, they're giving themselves a chance of the 1, but they're guaranteeing themselves 2 of those marks. Okay, part C, use your graph, write down the solutions for which that graph there, x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0, which is that graph. Where does this graph equal 0? Well, this graph is running from 8, and as I'm coming down, look, it's coming down in values, and this line here is where it's equal to 0. So it's equal to 0 there, and it's equal to 0 there. So it cuts it at like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 0.6. And the other value is at 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3.6. Okay, now then, by drawing a suitable line on your graph, write down the 2 solutions of x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so they've taken the graph, x squared minus 3x minus 2, and they've changed the end number. Now, to get from minus 2 to a plus 1, I need a plus 3 there. So x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to, take that over, minus 3. So that equation is the same as that. Now I've drawn that graph, so I want to know where does that graph equal to minus 3. So the graph is equal to minus 3 at this point here. So I draw a line across at minus 3. And these values here, okay, my x values, just line them up to the axes to be able to read them. There's a value here 0.5 and a value here of 2.5. But the important thing here is that you must get those 2 marks minimum. So as long as you plot the points and insert a value in there that corresponds to your graph, you'll guarantee yourself 2 of those marks.